Hello, welcome back to Capsim Capstone round 7 step-by-step guide for the round to win top results. We are setting the season for round 7. We have top sale and profit after 6 rounds, so we just keep moving with increasing performance and size strategy. Broad differentiation strategy by increasing performance in size of each round and maintain MTBF. So we are having 8 good selling products, so we just keep update the product to meet customer demand better each round, so we can maintain the top sales and profit. As you see on the screen, we check the launching date again after update the products, and we move to marketing screen. For marketing, we set the price for each product. We keep reduce the price by 50 cents each round to maintain the competitiveness of our product. We reduce $0.50 of each product around for all the 8 products, right? For all the 8 products, we reduce by 50 cents each round. Because we have the top sale and profit now, so just keep the same strategy. We have also 8 products, so we lead the sales in all the 5 segments. We use the Excel file to calculate sales focus based on the last round unit result from last round, multiple by the segment growth, and then we can growth, and then we can have the sales focus. Remember to use Excel file, download and use a free Excel file for calculation of sales focus and production faster. And now we have production screen. We can input the production schedule, production plan by using the sales focus, and also inventory minus inventory from the second round. You can see you can use Excel file to do this faster and just input into the game. And we input the production schedule for 8 products, and also we update the automation to make sure that we update the automation to reduce the cost and increase the quality of the product. For traditional 8 is okay, for low end 10, and for high end performance inside we update to 6 if you haven't done that in the last round. And also remember to increase production capacity by the new capacity for the needed product. For example, you can see we buy new capacity for low end and also for high end, for 2 low end products and for the high end product. Around production, we set the season for HR human resource 5,080 hours, and also we increase if you have labor negotiation, we use that close to labor demand is okay, or you can use average is also okay. Average also okay, or close to labor demand to avoid any kind of stock or demonstration. And we set the season for finance, so this is round 7, so we buy back the stock and pay $1 or $2 for dividend. $1 or $2 for dividend in round 7. In round 8 we will increase dividend around 10. We also again we retire the stock this round, retire the stock this round, buy back the stock and pay some dividend from round 7. We check our cash in hand, and this is the total quality management screen. We use this from round 4, 5, 6, 7, and the last round we use 1,000 for each of the 10 initiative, and get a total of 4,000 for each TQM initiative. Now we check the sales focus. So we had around 376 million and 56 million net profit. We have the top sale and profit also. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.